1.2 within
Good
5
morning,
minutes.
sir.
Morning, Nitin. So,
Good morning, sir.
very good morning. Hey, in this exercise, we are finding whether the given set is null set or not, infinite or finite, and equal or not. What is the singleton set? Only definition is important here. Null set, whether the given set is null set or not, we will check. Okay, whether the given set is finite or not, we will check. And one more thing is, given two sets are equal or not, we will check. That is the things here. Okay, na? First we'll go for the first question. Which of the following are examples of null set? First question is, which of the following are examples of null set? First question is, set of all natural numbers divisible by 2. Set of odd natural numbers.
That's an null set, sir. Sorry, it is a null.
Natural numbers divisible by 2. Solution for this one: odd natural numbers odd natural numbers means like this: 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, like that. These are not divisible by 2, exactly not divisible by 2. Odd natural numbers not divisible by
2.
2. Therefore, given set is null set. Means such type of numbers is not there. Odd numbers which is divisible by 2. We'll get empty set in that one. No elements only we'll get.
Sir,
So
we can end this by putting two braces or like 5, isn't it, sir?
what?
Like we can put 5 or 2 braces
Oh,
without
yes.
no element in that.
No, yes, correct only.
Sir, I have one more doubt, sir.
Can you please run?
So, like in the bracket, if you put null set and leave it like does it make difference?
This one, na?
Yes, sir.
This one wrong, only pi only we should write.
Okay, sir.
If you want to write null set means like this, you can write.
So, what does the null set in the bracket mean?
Null set in the bracket, no definition only for that.
Okay.
We discussed already about this one.
Okay, sir.
In the subsets concept, one question is there. That is, yes, third one, exercise 1.3, third question. That time I explained. Okay, pi only null set. Next one is, second one is set of even prime numbers.
They are not a null set, sir.
Set of even prime numbers.
Not a null set.
It is not null sets.
Not a null set. 2.
So, prime numbers, even prime numbers.
2 is there, sir.
Even prime numbers are equal to 2. Therefore, required set is even prime number set. So, it is not null set. One element we are getting. It is not a null set. Third one is x. X is a natural number. Bhavana,
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
very good morning. You did this question,
Okay.
Bhavana?
Yes, sir. Due to network issue, like I couldn't connect it fast, sir.
Okay, no issue at all. What is the answer for this one? X is a natural number less than
So it's
5.
not possible, sir.
Not possible. See, array, all of you see here. And is there. And means intersection. 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. Intersection greater than 7. 8, 9, 10, 11. Like that it is there. So the common element in intersection, and means intersection. Intersection means common elements we should take. In this set and in this set, common element anything is there.
Sir,
Null
No.
set.
Null set. Okay, na? Write it down, please. So given set is,
so it is null set only, sir.
it is null set only. Given set is null set. Okay, na? Write it down. Given set is null set. You write. Because natural number less than 5 and greater than 7 not possible. And greater than 7. Common condition is not possible only. Less than 5 is possible or greater than 7 is possible. Fourth one is y. Y is a point common to any two parallel lines. What we can say?
Null set.
That is
It
a
is a
null
null
set.
set, sir.
Why null set? We can take like this now. One.
Sir, parallel lines don't have anything.
Parallel lines don't meet each other, sir.
Okay. They must be at the some constant distance, na? Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
No common point is there for any two parallel lines. For any two parallel lines, no common point. So given set is
Null set.
over this one.
Sir,
Sir,
the,
no, sir.
sir, the lines are parallel. That is why there are no.
Okay.
Sir, those lines are parallel. That is why there are no same number, like common number. So
Yes. Means that if they are intersecting, na common point will be there.
1 point will be there. one unique solution.
Yes, if they are intersect to each other.
Yes, sir. Intersect or coincide, that time we'll get.
Yes, if lines are coincide each other. Next one. These and all they won't ask in the exam, right? Only to learn the concept only. Next one is, which of the following sets are infinite or finite or infinite? Which of following finite? First one is the set of months of a year.
Finite set.
Finite set. We'll get set as set equal to January, February, March, and so on. December we will get. It is finite. Only 12 terms are there in this one. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Finite number of elements only there. Therefore, given set is finite. Only finite set. If you write also, they will give marks. Given set is finite. Second question is
infinite, sir.
infinite.
Infinite set.
1, 2, 3, and so on. Infinite set. If you have textbooks now, there only we can write the answers. Nothing will happen. Kevin, are you there in the class, Kevin?
Yes, sir.
Kevin, you called me yesterday.
Without knowing, sir. It came without.
Huh?
Without knowing, I called, sir. It was.
Again, I called you, Kevin.
I was not there, sir. I went out.
Acha.
Sir, one more thing. For such like for trigonometry, I finished the notes. So should I like start one more for first term or continue the same?
If you have already notebook, you don't write. How many times you will write notebook? Huh?
So like first we solved trigonometry. No? So like I solved all the questions in trigonometry. So
No issue.
okay.
Already.
Finite set.
It is finite set because of up to 100 elements only there. Natural numbers up to 100. It is finite set. Okay. Set of positive integers greater than 100.
Infinite set.
Infinite, sir.
Set of positive integers greater than 100 means 101, 102, and so on. Okay, na? Set of prime numbers less than 99.
Finite set. Sir.
Very good. Next one also. Third question, please. Third question. State which of the following sets are finite or infinite. This question also same like this question only. Which of the following are finite or infinite? Okay, like that. Third question. You see carefully. The first question in third one is the set of lines which are parallel to x-axis.
Infinite.
The set of lines, yes. Hey, who said infinite, huh? Which are parallel to x-axis. Set of lines which are parallel to x-axis. Must see carefully. We are having x-axis and y-axis. I am taking one line over here. Okay. and we can take one line here, we can take one line here, we can take one line here, which is parallel to x-axis. How many lines we can take? How many lines?
Infinite.
Infinite
Right,
lines. Infinite set it is. Okay, na? Answer is infinite set. Write it down, please.
Yes, sir.
So the next one is the set of letters in English alphabet.
Finite.
Finite.
How many letters will be there?
26.
26 letters, sir.
Okay. The set of numbers which are multiple of 5.
Infinite.
Infinite.
The set of numbers which are multiple of 5.
Infinite.
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 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and so on we can take infinite set, that is. Okay. The set of animals living on the earth.
Infinite.
Infinite. Finite.
Finite.
Infinite.
Finite.
sir.
Infinite, sir.
Finite set.
Finite.
Finite.
We can how many animals living on the earth we can define. Okay, na? Means we can count. Okay, it is finite set. Okay, na? Next one is fifth one is important. The set of circles. Set of circles passing through the origin 0, 0. Must see carefully. Bhavana, any idea about this question, Bhavana?
Sir, it is a finite set, sir.
Very good, Bhavana. It is finite set. Bhavana,
Yes, sir.
what is the slope of 2 points, distance between 2 points, Bhavana? You know?
Formula, sir.
Distance between 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2.
X2, Y2.
X2, y2. You know, Bhavana?
Yes, sir.
What is the formula?
X2 minus X root X2 minus X1 whole square plus Y2 minus Y1 whole square.
Very good. Excellent. So, Bhavana, yeah, one circle is there, Bhavana, like this. It is passing through the origin. Or it is passing through the origin like this. Okay. This side also we can take another circle now, passing through origin only, that is.
Yes, sir.
Here also we can take one circle now, passing through the origin.
Yes.
Finite.
Right, finite.
Infinite.
Finite.
Infinite, sir. Infinite, sir.
Sir, you can draw how many number of circles or not, sir?
We can draw so many. Sir.
Count how many number of circles it is finite.
No, sir, from the origin you can draw infinite numbers of circles.
Yes, sir. It's infinite.
So like this also one circle we can find. We can draw one circle like this also. We can draw one circle like this also. We can draw one circle, another circle like this also. We can draw another circle like this also. Okay, na? How many circles we can draw?
Infinite, sir.
Infinite circles we can draw. Okay, na? Write it down. Solution is infinite set. Write it down, please. Please, students, 1 second, please. Listen, students. Here, the next one is which of the following in the following state whether A equal to B or not. In the So here, fourth question is in the following A equal to B or not. First question is A equal to A, B, C, D. B equal to D, C, B, A.
Sir, A is equal to
A
B.
equal to B, sir.
A equal to B. Very good. You see, each and every element of A there in B. Each and every element of B there in A. Then A equal to B we can say. Okay, na? You see, A is there in A is there in B, B is there in A, B is there in B, C is there in A, C is there in B, D is there in A, D is there in B. Then they are equal sets. Okay, na? Next one is, you see carefully, A equal to 4, 8, 12, 16, B equal to 8, 4, 16, 18.
A is not equal to
Is
B.
not equal to B.
A is not
A
equal to B.
not equal to B because 12 is not there in B and
18
is not there in A.
the third one is next one is A equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and B equal to X is positive in even integer.
Sir, A is equal to B, sir.
One second,
A is equal to
positive
B.
integer,
Positive even integer.
positive even integer. Even integer, once again, integer and X lesser than or equal to 10. So, given A equal to, first we should
A
write
equal
A is equal to B.
A equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, and B equal to even positive integer, na? We will get it as 2, 4, 6, 8, up to 10 only. We should take. Okay, na? Therefore, A equal to, write it down, please.
Yes, sir.
Or,
Yes, sir.
listen here carefully. The next concept is subsets. Okay, another two questions are there related to this one only. Equal sets, this and all. No need of doing that questions. Easy only. And if you have any doubts in that question, you can ask me in the class. Next concept is subsets. Listen carefully, Nana. From here, important. See carefully. We know equality of sets. A equal to 1, 2, 3 is there, and B equal to 1, 2, 3 is there. What we can say? A equal to
Equal set.
B.
A equal to B.
we can say. And sometimes always a equal to not 1 2 3 and b is equal to not 1 2 3. It is possible like this also, like what 1 2 3 we are getting here, and b set is we are getting it as 1 2 3 4 also we are getting 1 2 3 4 also we are getting. This see carefully, Ranana.
A
Here,
is equal to, but B is not equal to A.
yes, a equal to b na? No. So each and every element of A is also an element of B. Okay, but B, each and every element of B is not also an element of A. Then we can say that A is
Subset of B.
A is one small subset of small subset of B. Okay, so many subsets we can write. A is a subset of B. A is a subset of B. So many subsets we can write to B. Okay, but one subset is this here. Okay, na? Each and every element, what we can say, if A comma B are two sets, each and every element of A is also an element of B. Each and every element of A is also an element of B. Then we can say that A is subset of B. Okay, na? Each and every element of B is also an element of A, means A equal to B we can say. Understanding the difference between these two. Okay, where is we come to the subset concept, A and B are both are not equal. Okay, na? But some elements of B they're in A, some elements of B they're in A. Okay, na? What we can say subsets, so definition, if A comma B are two sets, if A comma B are two sets, then each and every element of A is also an element of B, then we can say that A is subset of B. A comma B are two sets we have. Each and every element of A is also an element of B, then A is subset of B. This one we can denote it as like this. If not subset of B, not subset of B. A is subset of B, not subset of B. Like that we can say. Okay, na? So write it down. Definition you write first, please. Write it down, please. A set capital A is said to be subset of B if every element of A is also an element of B, denoted by A is subset of B. That is, if one element A compulsory there belongs to A, I will write that is, if A is subset of B, then A belongs to A. Compulsory A belongs to B also. That implies you keep here. That implies A compulsory belongs to B also. if A belongs to A and you write it as one point, A does not belongs to B, then A is not subset of
D.
B, not subset of B. Okay, I am writing one small thing, right? Don't, up to here only you write, up to here only you write, and you listen this small thing. Listen this small thing here. Students see carefully.
Sir, still now you didn't represent anything in Venn diagram, isn't it, sir?
No, Venn diagrams we didn't discuss only, no?
Sir, these and all actually you represented actually in Venn diagram also, isn't it, sir?
When we will represent Venn diagrams, right? After subsets concept only we will discuss.
Sir, before old class.
Old class also, after subsets only we can discuss the, because of these sets are subsets of universal set now.
Yes, sir.
After subsets concept only Venn diagram. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You see carefully. For example, I am writing one example here. After that example, one small thing will be there. Here you see. For example, A equal to 1, 2, 3 and B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Then A is subset of B. Write down.
You need to write, sir.
Yes. You write only this example. Each and every element of A is also an element of B, then A is said to be subset of B. See carefully. I am taking one set here. Don't write anything. Please listen. A equal to 1, 2, 3. I am taking 1, 2, 3. I am taking. B equal to 1, 2, 3. I am taking. We are selecting. What is A? We are selecting some elements of B in this A set. Correct only now? If you select some elements, for example, another example I am writing, A equal to 1, 2 I am writing, B equal to 1, 2, 3 I am writing. What we can say? A is subset of B only now. Correct only now? This case also, A is subset of B, we can say this condition also. You see carefully. What is a subset? We are selecting some elements from the B. We are writing in A. We are selecting some elements of B in A. We are keeping that one in A. That is the subset. Okay. You see carefully. Here we can say that A is subset of B. A is subset of B, and we can say that A equal to B also we can say now in this one.
Yes, sir.
And means that in the place of B, we are keeping A again, right? Here we are keeping A. So what we can say, A is a subset of A only we can say na? We can say or not? Okay. What is
didn't
this?
get your point, sir.
One point we will get. What is that point? Each set is subset itself. Got my point? Each set is subset itself. Okay. And now how to get subset? If you take some elements from B and we are keeping in A, we are getting subset. Like I am keeping A as like this null set. We are not selecting any element from the B. A equal to null set we are having. Null set is subset of B only now. You can say now this one. No? We are selecting some elements of B. No element we are selecting from B. Okay. No element we are selecting from B. That is null set only. We can say that null set is a subset of each and every set, we can say. Null set is a subset of each and every set. One thing, each set is a subset itself. Each set is subset itself, we can say. Okay, write it down, please. All of you write it down. Write it down. If A equal to 1, 2, 3 and B equal to 1, 2, 3, then A is subset of B and A equal to B. Then we can say that A is subset of A. That is, each set is subset itself. Important concept this is. Okay, next one, we agree to say that Y is a subset of every set. Now next one you see carefully. If A is a subset of B and A not equal to B, then A is said to be proper subset of very important B, and B is called as superset of A. Now see carefully. For example, for this point, for example, A equal to 1, 2, B equal to 1, 2, 3, then A is proper subset means all elements should not be there in this subset. All elements should not be there in this subset. Okay, A is subset of A na, B is subset of B. Okay, B, how many elements are there? 3 elements are there. 3 elements should not be there in this set A. Then it is called as proper subset of B. Okay, A is proper subset of Write it down, please. Okay, over this one.
Sir, no, sir.
Write down.
No, sir.
Now these concepts are important. Subsets concept from the beginning of subsets concepts, very important.
Sir, then over here B is a superset of A, sir.
It's compulsory. Sai Prajwal.
Yes, sir.
Unmute your phone, but tell her Sai Prajwal.
Sir, oh, sir.
Okay. You see carefully. I am writing subsets of one small set. Listen, don't write when I am explaining. This is only one question. Write subsets of set A comma B. You see carefully. I am writing proper subsets. So proper subsets I am writing and total subsets I am writing here. So first given set equal to given set equal to A comma B. The subsets equal to so
After null set.
null set is subset of each and every set. We can say null set is subset of each and every set.
Yes, sir. Then only A.
Only A I am taking in one set. Okay. Only B.
Only B. Then A comma B.
A comma B. Each
Every
set
set is a subset of
itself. How many subsets we got? Number of subsets equal
4.
to number of subsets equal to
4, sir.
equal to 4 we got. Here n of given set, for example, A equal to I am taking subsets of A. I am taking A equal to this is okay. N of A equal to how much we are having here? Number of elements in A equal to how much we had? 2 only, na? Number of elements in A, we are having 2 only, na? So number of subsets equal to 2 power 2 we can write, na? 2 power 2. You see, number of subsets 4 we got. 4 we can write it as 2 power 2, na? Which is nothing but 2 power n of A we can write or not? We can write or not?
Yes, sir.
If you have any one set over there, number of subsets equal to 2 power number of elements in the given set we can take. For example, A equal to, we are having 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Writing subsets is different and finding number of subsets is different. Number of subsets equal to how much? 2 power n of A. What is the answer? N of A. How many elements are there in A?
4.
4 elements are there. 2 power 4, which is nothing but 16 is the answer. Got my point? Okay. Write the subsets means we should write all the subsets. That 16 subsets we should write. And one more thing is there. Here, this is not proper subset. This is not proper subset. This is not proper subset. How many proper subsets are there by A? How many proper subsets
Three,
are
sir.
means that from the total number of subsets, we should delete one subset. That is the last subset we should delete. Not last subset, subset itself is there, na, that one we should delete. One set we should delete from the total subsets. We will get it as proper subsets. Number of proper subsets we will get. Two concepts are there. Proper subsets. Two concepts are there here. Finding the subsets. Three concepts, sorry. First, writing the subsets is important. Number of subsets finding is important. Number of proper subsets finding is important. K-set also important, this concept.
Sir, can you repeat how to find number of proper set?
Number of
Proper set. Last.
Okay, okay. Here, see, number of subsets formula is how much? 2 power n of A only, na?
Yes, sir.
From that one we should delete. One means subset itself is there, na? This set we should delete. One set we should delete. For example, total number of subsets is 16 means number of proper subset will become 16 minus 1. 15 proper subsets we will get. Get my point now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Number of subsets 16 means number of proper subsets will become lesser than 1. So the number of subsets. Okay. First we will write. Write it down, please. One point. I am deleting this and all. Write it down, please. If a set capital A has small m elements, that is n of A equal to small m, then number of subsets formed by A equal to two power n of A, that is equal to 2 power m. Number of elements in A is equal to small m, I took na, small m. Okay. Next point is the number of proper subsets formed by a set A which has m elements that is n of A equal to m is how much? 2 power n of A minus 1 or 2 power m minus 1 is the answer. Write down, please. Number of subsets means 2 power m. Number of proper subsets means for 2 power m we should delete 1.
Sir, still how many points are there, sir?
These two only there. And one more thing is there. Another two conditions, two concepts are there. Three concepts are there. Not today, tomorrow we'll discuss. Once again, I will discuss the subset concept tomorrow. And once again, we'll discuss this question. And we will do one small question. Two questions we'll do.
Okay, sir.
One is board model and one is write down, please. Write the subsets of set 1, 2. First given set. This is example, right? Example solution. First to let the given set be, let A equal to 1, 2. Subsets of A equal to, they are not asking number of subsets, they are asking total subsets you write. Subsets of A equal to, what is answer? 5 is one subset, only one element I am taking. 2,
1, 2.
1, 2. Each set is subset itself. Null set is subset of every set. And remaining 1 we are selecting and 2 we are selecting in 2 sets. Write down, please.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, after that, can we write the number of subsets, sir?
No, who asked that one? You? They didn't ask only, na?
Okay, sir.
If they will ask, you can.
Okay, sir.
You see, the next one is one K-set model, how they will ask. Already they asked this type of question. Okay, na? The number of proper subsets.
Example, sir.
Next example, Ra.
Sir, should we write the above one?
Yes. Yes. The number of proper subsets formed by a set capital A is 31. Then find number of elements in A. Easy question only, na? Error.
Yes, sir.
Write down, please. Given number of subsets by A equal to 31. That is.
Number of subsets will be then 32, isn't it, sir? Proper subsets is 31.
Right. Oh, sorry. This one will become number of proper subsets, right?
Then number of subsets will be 32, isn't it, sir?
One second. Proper subsets by A equal to 31. That is 2 power n of A minus 1 equal to
31.
31.
2 power n of A will become
32.
32.
32. Okay. So 2 power n of A equal to, this is 2 power how much? 5.
2 power 5.
Sir.
N of A equal to?
Bases are equal, then powers are equal.
Powers are equal. Bases are equal, powers are equal. In the equality.
Exponents and powers.
So, right.
5 elements are there.
A has how many elements?
5.
A has 5 elements. Is the answer. Okay, na? Write it down, please. So this is about today concept, and tomorrow also briefly we'll discuss about this one. And you must check subsets. You should check. Okay, and how to write subsets for given set is important. Proper subsets, how to write, you want to check once again. And if it is subset, it is one symbol we will keep now. If it is not subset, another symbol we will keep. These and all you should check and you should come. Okay, na? Thank you very much and take care.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.